probably a bigger fuel pump. I mean, it was bowl or what he can see from it. The outside of the bowl is like this adventure every day. No, just sitting there and bullshitting on my car. That's how I became. I say as I take a drink of my beer. Excuse me. Oh, that was a crazy ass snot. Get fucked. And I get here to Nashville and they're like, oh yeah, after scared me. Was fuck. Oh yeah, I know. 7-3's beer, bread. I feel like that's. We have some Uber Eats. Like I ordered it on Uber Eats and she picked it up.
A person who evades military service in wartime.
Tell me, I gotta go to sleep.
Spoke a lot of words. I say the crowd, I say the crowd.
Enemy by leaving them alone. I do not question Cawthorn's will. I do not second guess. I don't remember that I could talk about.
Off the couch of my motherfucking mama's house. Cause my dad kicked me out, screaming out.
What the fuck? Find a business that pays you. Cover band. And I like that's the keep that.
Like you talking that shit like this. Fuck a foreign door. Nigga, this is that. This is not a foreign. Fuck that. I remember when it is laying mother Mars hitting it.
I gotta find this out. I'm gonna do this.